Hey, how are you doing? Welcome to Miss Tech Hack. What is this video all about? Let's have a preview. Today in this video we will see how to apply validation in controlled form in React application. Before we go ahead, make sure to subscribe to Miss Tech Hack, so you don't miss on any of our updates and latest videos. A bonus tip. Are you in a hurry to learn React? Well, I have a good news for all who want to be a React developer. Check out the Udemy course link in description. And you can access all React training videos in just one click. Do watch the video till end to get all the insights. So let's get started. We will try to add form validation in this video. In contact component, let's add a new state touched for first name, last name, phone, and email. And a new event handler and bind it within the constructor. Also add one more method validate to validate first name, last name, phone, and email. Under the handler, add code to set touched state for fields to see if field is touched or not. In validate method, add validation conditions and set errors accordingly. Add length check for first name and last name. Check phone number using regular expression and length. Check email using a filter and its length. Now, call validate from render method and pass the state values. Also add valid-invalid checks for all inputs to display error message on validation. Also add the onBlur and onChange method to inputs and return errors from validate. Let's add form feedback to display error. Now if we refresh browser and check, all fields are validated. As soon as we touched and skip without entering data, you can see the error messages got from validation. Let's enter different type of data and check validation errors are working correctly or not. So, we have seen how to apply validation in controlled form in our React application. That's it for this video. I hope you find it useful. For any queries or concerns, write me down in the comments section. Thank you so much. Have a great day.